What's up, everybody? This is Parker from the Fast Foodies, back with another energy bar review. Today, we're trying out another one of Cliff's Nut Butter Filled Bars. Now, I'm not sure if these are new or not, but I recently saw 4 nut butter filled bars from Cliff. I already reviewed their peanut butter filled one. Today, we're gonna be trying out their tart, cherry, and cashew one. And then they also have a coconut almond and a chocolate peanut butter one, I think, as well, which I will be reviewing. So if you want to see those reviews, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on when I post it. Anyway, as I mentioned, we are reviewing their tart, cherry, and cashew butter energy bar. Now, this is an energy bar because it only has 5 grams of protein, so definitely not a protein bar. However, yeah, a very unique flavor combination. I've never had tart, cherries, and cashew butter, but I love cashew butter and I like cherries, so we'll see if I like this. But you guys know there's only one way to find out. It's time to test it. So this is interesting. You can see the filling in there. I thought it was gonna be cashew butter, but maybe it's like a cherry cashew butter. I thought like the cherries would just be out the outside of the bar itself, but let's see how it tastes. That's interesting. So the filling, I think there's actually, the outside of the Cliff bar is the same as the peanut butter one. It's a mixture of like peanuts and oats. However, what changes, or I think what's the differences between the two, the one that I reviewed already, the peanut butter one, and this one, is the filling. Whereas in the peanut butter one, it's just a peanut butter filled bar. This one is actually a cherry cashew filling. Now, it's definitely a little bit of tartness from the cherries, and I actually enjoy that. It's not super sweet, and the tartness plays along nicely with the peanut butter, and then the cashews as well. I like the differences, that the different flavors you get from the cashew butter and the peanuts inside, because having 2 different nut flavor profiles, a pretty interesting combination, not just the same kind of peanut butter throughout. And then as I mentioned, that tart cherryness just adds another splash of flavor that you don't get in other protein bars, I find. So yeah, definitely a very interesting flavor combination. If you guys like your cherries and cashews, I guess you really enjoy this one. Not necessarily my type of protein bar, or energy bar, I should say, but yeah, definitely not a bad nut butter bar from Cliff. I'm gonna give the Cliff Nut Butter Bar Tart, Cherry, and Cashew a 7.5 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to hear more, check out Fast Foodies Podcast on Apple Podcasts and Spotify.